Social media marketing has become an integral part of any business's marketing strategy. It offers a powerful platform to reach out to potential customers, engage with them, and build a strong brand image. However, getting more clients on social media marketing can be challenging, especially if you're just starting out. In this video, we will explore some effective strategies to help you get more clients quicker on social media marketing. 1. Define your target audience. The first step in getting more clients through social media marketing is to identify your target audience. This means understanding who your ideal customer is, what their needs are, and where they spend their time online. By having a clear understanding of your target audience, you can create content that resonates with them, engage with them in meaningful ways, and convert them into customers. 2. Choose the right platforms. Not all social media platforms are created equal, and not all platforms may be suitable for your business. Choosing the right platform depends on your target audience, the type of content you want to create, and your overall marketing goals. For example, if your target audience is primarily professionals, LinkedIn may be the best platform for you. If your business is visually focused, then Instagram or Pinterest might be more appropriate. 3. Create compelling content. Social media is all about content. If you want to attract and engage with potential customers, you need to create compelling content that is relevant, valuable, and shareable. This includes blog posts, videos, images, infographics, and more. Your content should be aligned with your brand messaging and should provide value to your audience. The more valuable your content is, the more likely it is to be shared, which can help increase your reach and visibility. 4. Leverage paid advertising. Paid advertising is an effective way to quickly get your brand in front of a larger audience. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn offer various advertising options to businesses of all sizes. By targeting your ads to your specific audience, you can ensure that your message reaches the right people. Paid advertising can be expensive, but it can also provide a significant return on investment if done correctly. 5. Engage with your audience. Social media is not just about broadcasting your message, it's also about engaging with your audience. By responding to comments, messages, and mentions, you can build relationships with potential customers and show them that you care about their needs. Engaging with your audience also helps to humanize your brand, making it more relatable and approachable. 6. Collaborate with influencers. Influencers are individuals who have a large following on social media and can help promote your brand to their audience. By partnering with relevant influencers, you can quickly increase your brand's reach and visibility. However, it's important to choose influencers who are a good fit for your brand and have a genuine connection with your target audience. 7. Use hashtags. Hashtags are a powerful tool for reaching a wider audience on social media. By including relevant hashtags in your posts, you can increase the visibility of your content to people who are interested in that particular topic. It's important to use hashtags strategically and to avoid using irrelevant or spammy hashtags, which can have a negative impact on your brand. 8. Measure your results. Finally, it's essential to measure the results of your social media marketing efforts regularly. By tracking metrics like engagement rates, website traffic, and conversions, you can determine what's working and what's not. This will help you optimize your strategy and make informed decisions about where to invest your time and resources. 9. Optimize your profile. Your social media profile is often the first impression that potential customers have of your brand. Make sure your profile is complete, up-to-date, and aligned with your brand messaging. Use high-quality images and videos, and ensure that your bio accurately describes what your business does and how you can help your customers. 10. Offer value. People follow brands on social media to get something of value. Whether it's entertainment, education, inspiration, or discounts, make sure your content provides something that your target audience wants. By offering value, you can build trust, credibility, and loyalty with your followers, which can ultimately lead to more clients. 11. Run contests and giveaways. Running contests and giveaways is a great way to increase engagement and attract new followers. Encourage people to share your content, tag their friends, or submit their own content for a chance to win a prize. This can help you reach a wider audience and generate excitement around your brand. 12. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to social media marketing. Make sure you're posting regularly and at the right times to maximize your reach. Develop a content calendar that outlines what you'll be posting, when you'll be posting, and on which platforms. By being consistent, you can build momentum and keep your followers engaged. Getting more clients quicker on social media marketing is not an easy task, but it's also not impossible. By following these strategies, you can increase your brand's visibility, engagement, and ultimately, your client base. Remember to stay focused on your target audience, offer value, and be consistent, and you'll be well on your way to social media marketing success.